Welcome to the world of self-service at USF, where we put control in your hands. In this video, we will show you how to update your student record information. From the My USF homepage, click on the Student Self-Service tile. Once you click on the Student Self-Service tile, you will be directed to the Student Self-Service landing page. Keep going and select View and Update My Information under Student Record. This will take you to the My Profile screen. On the My Profile screen, you should select the Personal Information box. When you click on the Personal Information box, you will be taken to a page that lists all of your contact information that has been provided to USF. Please take a moment to scroll down and review all the information on this page. If you need to add new or edit, you can do so by clicking on the appropriate icon. Add new is represented by the plus sign, and edit is represented by the pencil icon. I noticed that my phone number is incorrect on the left-hand side of the page, so I'm going to go underneath phone number on the main page and click Edit. It's the little icon that has a pencil in it. When I click on the Edit button, it brings up the Edit Phone Number box. Here, you'll notice that I cannot edit the phone number type. I know that this is a cell phone number and not a voiceover or landline. So I'm going to X out of here and take this opportunity to delete my current phone number using the garbage can icon instead of editing it. Once I have clicked the garbage can icon, I can add a new phone number. I'm going to click the Add a New Phone Number by clicking the Add New button. And then I select mobile phone from the drop-down box. I have two options, landline or VoIP or mobile phone. I'm going to select mobile phone. Next, I'm going to add in my 3-digit area code and 7-digit phone number into the 3 boxes. I will ignore the international access code and phone number box because this is not an international phone number. Finally, I'm going to check the primary box because this is the first phone number I want USF to use to contact me. I'm going to add the new phone number by clicking Add. I will take these steps again to add as many phone numbers as I would like USF to try and contact me. Please note this is not where we put parents or other third parties' contact information. There's a space for that under Emergency Contact on the screen below, and we'll talk about that in a minute. Starting at the top of the screen, underneath Personal Details, I can view my first name, middle name, and last name, as well as my date of birth and legal sex. I cannot update these because it requires documentation submitted to the Office of the Registrar, which is why these fields are grayed out. If you need to update this information, please visit the Office of the Registrar's webpage. You will notice that I can add a preferred first name, personal pronoun, and gender identification. I'm choosing to update these fields by adding my preferred name, selecting the appropriate selection from the drop-downs, and then I click Update. Once I click Update, you will see the personal details now reflect my preferred first name and selected values. Next, we'll take time to add an external email address. Under Email, I will choose an external email address, understanding that the university will always use my USF email address to communicate important information that I am required to check on a regular basis. When I review the address box, it appears that the university only has my permanent mailing address. Even though that's from out of state and I'm living around campus, I want to make sure the university knows where to find me while I'm in attendance. To do this, I select Off-Campus Local from the drop-down and then enter the read of the information in various fields. Insert a county code if the address is in Florida. Insert a country code only if the address is from outside the U.S. Address verification software will check my address. And in this case, remind me that I forgot to add an apartment. When I click on it, I can put my apartment value in, and it saves if accepted or allows for further updates. Next, it's important to provide at least one emergency contact that the university may reach if there is in fact a true emergency. To do this, click on Add New in the Emergency Contact box. This will give you a pop-up box that will allow you to set the order in which we should contact your emergency contacts. The name of your emergency contact, your relationship with the emergency contact, and all necessary contact information for your emergency contact. Please take the time to fill out this critical information. Insert a country code only if the address is from outside the U.S. Be sure to scroll down and click the Add button. In the Additional Details box, you will see the ethnicity and race you reported at the time of admissions. If the information is inaccurate, please contact the Office of the Registrar. You can also select your veteran classification and disability status by clicking on the associated pencil icons to update that information. Finally, you will see a box at the end of the form called Other. This box will display any surveys that are critical for you to answer when they appear. If you see a survey there, please take the time to fill it out. USF will require you to review this information ahead of each registration cycle to make sure we always know how to reach you and your emergency contacts. There are additional videos that you can watch that provide in-depth instructions about the components of student self-service. Please check them out, and as always, go Bulls!